I'm Nick Evans, the MD of Safewell, and today we're going to explain to you what a lung function test is and how a lung function test is performed. So let's begin. Lung function testing is an occupational health test carried out on employees that might be exposed to harmful substances that they could inhale through the work they do. Under the Control of Substances Hazardous to Health regulations, there is a requirement to carry out health surveillance for these types of employees. Typically, these types of employees would be working on processes that expose them to dusts, vapours and gases that could be harmful if they're inhaled. Now, let's look at a lung function test in practice.
Hello Dave, my name is Mike. I'm going to be taking you through your lung function test today.
Okay.
Alright, so it's just going to need a few details from you to begin with,
okay,
and then I'll explain how the tests are going to work.
Right.
Okay. So obviously your first name is Dave.
Yeah.
And surname?
Pixton, P-I-X-T-O-N.
Thank you. Okay, and your date of birth?
11/04.
Yeah.
8.
We've got two tests to go through today. We've got the relaxed and the forced.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll explain the relaxed one first, and then we'll come back to the forced one
Okay.
after that. Okay. So the whole idea behind the test is to basically hopefully make sure that your lungs are doing what they should be.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So working without any obstructions or any restrictions. Okay. So for the first part of the test, as I say, is the relaxed one. I'm going to initially get you to pop on the nose plug.
Right.
Okay. So you've got the little foamy bits there.
Yeah.
Just make sure that's nice and comfortable on your nostrils.
Right,
I'll get you to
okay,
pop that on first then
Yeah,
for me,
okay.
please. Thank you. And then after that, I'll get you to pick a tube out of the tray.
Right. Thank you.
Brilliant. Okay. So what you got to do with that is just basically place the thin end, as it were, in top of the.
Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Fantastic. And I'll do a demo for you. So what we're doing, first of all, posture-wise, chest up, keeping yourself nice and tall. All right. So
okay.
as you breathe out, you don't. Well, try not to fold forwards
Yes,
if you
okay.
can help it. Okay. So deep breath. Get a good seal. So mouth around the tube, not on it. Right. So deep breath. So you're going to exhale, hopefully, all the air that you've got in your
Right,
lungs.
okay.
All right, so really try and empty your lungs.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do the best of 3.
Yeah.
So whenever you're ready, I'll get you to pick up the
Okay.
tube. Okay, so as I say, deep breath in, good seal, let it all go for as long as you absolutely can. That's it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go. That's good. Keep going, keep going. Fantastic, that's great. So as you can see, the blue line's travelled across the bottom of the screen. That's your breath, as it were, in screen terms. There's a little grey box, that's your predicted box based on your age, height and weight. And as you've done there nicely, you've got that blue line well within that box. So that's a great start. Okay, so we're going to do another one. So that's that part of the test done. So we're on to the forced. The difference is at the beginning, basically. Still going to do the same setup. Nice deep breath in, get a good seal, empty your lungs as much as you possibly can.
Okay.
So as I say, at the beginning is where the main change is. Deep breath. It's basically giving you a second to clear your lungs.
Right. Okay.
So that's why it's nice and forceful.
Right.
And then, as I say, just continue to clear your lungs.
Right.
All right.
Okay.
Again, whenever you're ready, Dave, you get yourself comfortable. That's it. Keep it going. Okay, fantastic. It's a good start. I'll just reset. And I'll just go through your results. Ideally, what we're looking for, you can, yeah, that's a good point, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, what we're looking for, ideally, and what you've got is normal spirometry, i.e. normal lung function.
Okay.
Fantastic, so that's what we've got for today, and that's what we would like to see in the future as well.
Brilliant.
Okay, and your lung age today is 28. Okay.
Okay, good. I'm happy with that.
So it's a good lung age. I always say take the lung age with a little bit of a pinch of salt because
Right.
it will vary day in, day out.
Yeah.
But all your percentages, okay, ideally need to be above 80 or higher, and they are.
Very
They're
nice.
in the hundreds.
Very nice. Okay.
So bottom line, Dave, we are all good.
I'm pleased to hear that. Thanks very much.
Okay, that's it.
Thanks for demonstrating that test, Mike.
That's all right.
If someone were to have a reduced lung function,
Yeah.
what could be the cause of that?
There's many possible causes. For example, they may come in on that particular day with a cold or a chesty cough or possible infection. In that case, it would probably advise that they be rebooked for a different day. Depending on severity, they may have come into contact with a respiratory hazard, which is hopefully in the short term affected their lung function. We would then rebook for a appointment that is quite close by to retest. If it's of a severe drop, then I would probably refer, depending on what the company policy is in place, onto an OHA or P for further testing to make sure that that's something that maybe within their workplace is the problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about smoking? What kind of effect can that have on a lung function test?
Well, we like to say at least an hour before, leave a good hour before the test, and then if you have to have a cigarette, have one after, because it can restrict the function of the lungs, which would cause a possible false test. Yeah.
Okay.
So we advise against that. Doesn't always happen, but we advise against it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for watching our lung function test video. Hopefully you found that useful on what a lung function is and how a lung function test is completed. Thank you.